we're going to be working with this Excel table to determine our confidence level in a member being able to hold a certain weight. To do that, we're going to look at some basic data. We're going to find the average of that data, find out the spread of that information, and then also determine the z-score, which allows us to determine the confidence. So to do that, we have our data right here. We're going to pull in these values and develop an average. And so I'm going to type in here, equals average. I'm going to select all the information. And this is fictitious data. And so I wouldn't use it for basing any of your true decisions. So I'm going to type in equals now, stdev.s, and I'm going to select the exact same amount. And this is giving me the spread of the information. So how I can see that is this is a histogram. So it's a graph of where all the different measurements that we have in this fit within within their values. And so, for example, if I'm looking for values that are between 1.27 and 1.55, I probably have 4 of those. If I'm looking for values that are between 2.11 and 2.39, I should probably see about 25 to 30 of them. And so we do see that spread out. It sort of does have that bell curve look to it, which is nice. And so I'm going to say my desired strength in this is 2.3. Let's go with 2.0. I'm going to then find my z-score, and how I'm going to do that is using this equation right here, where my current value is the one that I'm working with. My mean is the average value. I'm going to have to put that in parentheses. And I'm going to divide out the spread of my information, so my standard deviation. And that's giving me a z-score of negative 0.703. And if I scroll down here, I should see 0.7, and then it is 0.3. So I'm going to actually use this value right here, which is the 0.242. We got 0.242, type that in. I'm then going to sit there and go 1 minus that value. So this was telling me the value of this small triangle right here. And I want to know its value or its chances of holding more than that weight. And so I've got to take this value. And so I can see that if I take a random selection from this population, if I add another value to it, I have the 75.9 or 8 chance of holding the desired strength of 2 pounds.